In this short video, I'm going to be showing you how to use ChatGPT to create your perfect gym workout routine. So, just to give you an example, I want to create a 5-day full body split with cardio and ab workouts at the end of each day. These are my requirements, so I've put that into ChatGPT and then it's going to spit out the workout that I want. Now, if you don't like what ChatGPT is suggesting you can always retry the exact same input or you can change it slightly. So, as you can see, ChatGPT is giving me day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5. Now, if you put 3-day full body split here, it is going to give you 3 days. If you put 6, it will give you 6 days. This does take a little bit of time because ChatGPT doesn't give you instant results, but it will take you a lot less time than if you were to Google all the different exercises that you want to include in your workout routine. Now, if you don't like any of these exercises, I'm going to show you how to get rid of them. So for example, if you don't like free weight exercises and you want to use only machines, or if you don't like machines and you want to use just free weight exercises, then you can tell ChatGPT that and it will rearrange the entire workout based on your specific requirements. Now, as you can see, ChatGPT has provided me exactly with what I want. There is a workout here, then there is cardio, and then there is the ab exercises that I specifically ask for. But let's just say that I want to transfer all this information onto my phone and I don't want to have to copy and paste everything. What I can do is tell ChatGPT to put it in a table. It literally is as easy as typing in the search bar down here what you want ChatGPT to do. This will take probably another 30 seconds for ChatGPT to put it into a table, but I'll show you the results in just a second. And while we wait here, I just want to say that you don't need to change the entire workout routine because you don't like a specific exercise within a specific day. So what you can tell ChatGPT is change pull-ups to a different exercise on day 4, and all it's going to do is change that specific part of the workout routine without touching anything else. As you can see, ChatGPT is already generating a table for me. I just want to point out here that sometimes it does give you quite awkward tables that I don't really like. So if ChatGPT gives you a table that you don't like, literally tell it to format the workout in a different table and it will just go ahead and do that. So keep doing that until you achieve your desired result. Now, if you're doing this for a client that is a beginner in the gym, or if you're doing this for yourself, but you're not quite sure how much rest time you should be getting for these exercises, what you can do is tell ChatGPT to add the recommended rest time to the table. And then what ChatGPT is going to do is it's going to regenerate the entire table and add a different column to the side with the rest time that is recommended. If we take a look at barbell squats, for example, you can see sets, reps, and then rest time. So the recommended rest time the ChatGPT is suggesting is between 90 and 120 seconds. Of course, if you don't like that, you can either go ahead and change it yourself later on, or you can tell ChatGPT to make the changes for you. And when it comes to creating the perfect routine for the gym, whether that's for yourself or for a client, it literally is up to you and what you type in down here in this little box. ChatGPT is very flexible and it will literally create the perfect program. It just depends on what you tell it to do. So hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please do go ahead and leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. If you're a personal trainer and you want to make the most out of ChatGPT for your clients, save yourself a bunch of time when you're creating programs, click on this video right here and I'll see you next time.